Oh, I suppose this is the art cave.
But it says no entry, Tom.
I've got an idea.
There you go.
Much better.
Yeah.
That guy seems to like it as well.
Yeah, big thumbs up. It says welcome, but I'm not sure we're still allowed to be here.
No, we did kind of sneak in and I don't want to get caught.
We need some kind of disguise.
I've got these masks.
Yes. Oh yes, and we could decorate them.
Ah yes, to make them more disguising.
Yeah, we've got all this material. You can pick whatever you like.
I might start with a bit of paper then.
Yep.
For mine, to make a mask for you.
Oh yeah, and I'll make a mask for you.
Okay, I'm going to give you a nice new nose, nice and big.
Thank you.
So to start with, I'm going to make a tube out of the paper. So to do this, I'm going to roll it on the edge of the table, like this. And that gives the paper a nice bend.
That is nice.
Then I can roll it up into a tube. And then put 2 bits of tape that we've got prepared here onto paper to hold it in place like that.
Do you want to see if it fits?
Seems about the right size. I'm going to put a bend in it here. And then it can slot over the mask. And this will be your new nose.
Thanks. What will I make you? And there you are. Nice new big lips.
time.
Look at our new disguises.
I like your beard.
Thanks. I like your extra long nose.
Thanks.
Why don't we do some more secret things?
Oh yeah, I like these secret things.
Yeah. Did you know you could write secret messages with candles?
No? How?
Well, let me show you. You can use whatever candle you've got at home. Today we've got tea lights. Need a piece of paper. And you write on the paper.
There's nothing there.
Well, it looks like there's nothing there. Then, if you've got some cinnamon, sprinkle that on top. Shake it about. Look. Got a secret message.
See you next time.